You are my masterpiece. I do not throw away what is broken. I refine it. You are my masterpiece. It will never run dry.
I can't fix this. I'm too broken. I see your tangled past, but I see more. This thread is not yours to untangle. I am the thread of grace. I am rewriting your story from the inside out.
I can't remember without pain. Let go of the past. Is it really gone? You are free now.
I open doors that no man can shut. Walk into your new season.